Imagine this. You're walking into a science lab, but instead of bright-eyed students, you're greeted by cadavers. Sounds creepy, right? Well, Mary Roach's Stiff, The Curious Lives of Human Cadavers, takes this unsettling image and transforms it into one of the most fascinating, witty, and surprisingly heartwarming explorations of death you'll ever encounter. This book isn't about mourning. It's about what happens after we're gone, and how our bodies can continue to serve the living in ways both noble and bizarre. In Stiff, Roach dives headfirst into the world of cadavers, uncovering the many surprising roles they've played in history, science, and even crime-solving. From crash test dummies to medical dissection tables, from helping surgeons perfect their skills to advancing forensic science, cadavers have quietly shaped the progress of humanity. But here's the twist. Roach doesn't tell it like a horror story. She approaches death with humor, curiosity, and respect, reminding us that even in death, the human body has a purpose. The book takes you on a wild ride through the strangest corners of science. You'll learn about body farms, where decomposition is studied in real time, about heads being used in plastic surgery training, and even about how cadavers have been part of military ballistics research. Every chapter is a mix of jaw-dropping facts, dark comedy, and thought-provoking questions about mortality. And the best part? Roach's ability to laugh at the weirdness of it all makes the subject less terrifying and, strangely, almost comforting. At its core, Stiff is about honoring the extraordinary contributions of people who gave their bodies to science. It challenges us to think differently about death, not as an ending, but as another chapter in the story of life. If you've ever been curious about what really happens after we're gone, or if you enjoy science told with wit and humanity, this audiobook is an absolute must-listen. So, if you're ready for a journey that's equal parts funny, strange, and deeply meaningful, dive into Stiff, The Curious Lives of Human Cadavers by Mary Roach. Trust me, you'll never think about death the same way again. Hit play on the full audiobook and let Mary Roach turn one of life's darkest topics into one of the most fascinating adventures you'll ever take.